Hello students, we are going to start a new chapter S block element. This chapter is in inorganic chemistry, and in previous term 1 we have studied hydrogen, okay, and oxidation reduction. First of all, we know about the general electronic configuration of S block element. It is ns1 1 to 2. It means the last electron goes to the s orbital, and s orbital can accommodate one or two electrons. Okay, group 1 and 2 are known as s block element. Group 1 are alkali metal. In alkali metal, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, they have atomic number 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. If we know the atomic number of noble gas, we can easily remember all alkali metal. If you add 1 in the noble gas atomic number, then you will get alkali metal. For example, the atomic number of first noble gas is helium, and it will be 2, and 2 plus 1 3. Second, नियॉन में अगर आप 1 ऐड करेंगे तो ये आपको 11 मिल जाएगा. सिमिलरली दिस पैटर्न विल वर्क. नाउ वी सी सम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द अल्कली मेटल. एटॉमिक रेडियाई, आयोनिक रेडियाई, डेंसिटी, मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, सॉफ्टनेस. फर्स्ट, एटॉमिक रेडियाई. Atomic radii is the radii, the distance between the nucleus and outermost electron. And in group 1, when we go from top to bottom, then increase in addition of a new cell, so the atomic radius will increase. In ionic radii of alkali metal are much smaller than the corresponding metal due to lesser number of cell. In density, alkali metal have low density, but lithium is the lightest known metal. On moving down the group, density increases from lithium to cesium. Okay. In case of melting and boiling point of alkali metal are quite low and decreases down the group. Okay. Softness, these are very soft in nature because it can be cut with knife easily. Okay, they possesses metallic luster and freshly cut due to oscillation of electrons. Okay, thank you.